Hello, welcome back. Thank you so much for joining me. Today, we are viewing a home. When I say in the heart of Houston, I mean the heart of Houston. As you can see, that is the highway in downtown Houston. So that is how close you are to the heart of Houston and downtown. Now, this home is built by a builder called Daimler Texas Inc. It is a 3-bedroom, 3.5 bath home, 2,300 square feet. And get this, this is not $1 million home, even though it's located close to Houston. It is only listed for $599,000. But remember, everything is negotiable. So this price is not the final price. And we can always ask for seller's concessions to help you pay down either your interest rate or the amount of the home. This home is going to be located in the community of Demon Court. It is no HOA, so you don't have to worry about that. The schools they have that is zoned to this home are ranked high. That school is going to be McGregor Elementary. Then you have Cullen Middle School, and then Lamar High School. So if you don't want to use any of those schools for your child's education, no worries, because of the great location you're in. You'll have plenty of private schools and Montessori schools to choose from. Now, if you have any questions regarding this home, the home buying process, or any other real estate question, please leave me in the comment section below, and I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Enjoy the rest of the tour. Oh, and before I forget, do me a favor, hit that like, subscribe, and that bell to be notified of weekly videos. you.